Welcome all. So in this lecture, we'll solve Introduction to Machine Learning week 4 assignment. So the first question is, consider the data set given below. Can we use perceptron learning algorithm to build a model using only the given features that achieve zero misclassification error on the training data? Normally, perceptron converges only if the data set is linearly separable. So this data set can be separated by a straight line or a hyperline. So the option is yes. The second one is, suppose we use a linear kernel SVM to build a classifier for a two-class problem where the training data points are linearly separable. In general, will the classifier trained in this manner be always the same as the classifier trained using perceptron training model on the same training data? The option is no. Why means perceptron finds the boundary whereas SVM finds the optimal boundary, or SVM finds the hyperplane with the maximum margin. So the option is no. You can download the dataset for the question 3 and 4 from the Google Drive. They are given the dataset contains 1000 points and each input point contains 3 features. Train a linear regression model without regularization. Here, from the data, we can say this as a ordinary least square regression, which will be having the equation as y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus beta 3 x3. The option is this. Then L2 regularized linear regression model and the above dataset. L2 regularization, which is nothing but the ridge regression. So normally L2 adds the penalty term. So larger the lambda value means larger penalty on the big weights. So the optimization shrinks weights towards the zero. So here the absolute value of coefficient decreases. Shrinkage will be more, so the coefficient value will be decreased. We can download the dataset for the question 5 and 6 from this drive. So the dataset contains 150 points. So first 100 points are as the training data, the remaining 50 for the testing of data. L2 regularized logistic regression. The previous question it is linear regression. Here it is an L2 regularized logistic regression. So if we are, if you are having the C value as large means there will be no regularization at all, which means the model fits strongly. If the model fits strongly, we'll be having very high accuracy. So out of this value, we can select the value which has the maximum 0.98. So the accuracy will be 0.98. The last one is we'll be using the SVM classifier on the modified iris dataset. We can refer the dataset from the drive. Hyperparameters, RBL kernel, gamma value is 0.5. 1 versus rest classifier, no future normalization they have given. So try C is equal to 0.01, 10. For the above set of hyperparameters, they are asking the accuracy along with the total number of support vectors. Accuracy we are already calculated 0.98, and the total support vectors will be 41. So the option is last one. Thank you.